Today's video is winter basic outfits. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifeoma. If this is your first time of stopping by, hi, welcome. On this channel I talk about fashion, beauty and a little bit of lifestyle. Today's video is winter basic outfits. These are outfits that I wear on a regular day. I'm just going to share the things I wear in a week, and all of this is from Walmart. This video is mainly showing you how you can dress daily using everything from Walmart. So now let's get started. On Monday I wore this denim skirt that I got from Walmart, and I also added a t-shirt that I also got from Walmart. The skirt is from Time and True, and the t-shirt, the white t-shirt, is from Free Assembly. And you can see how I styled it in the styling part. I added a white canvas because I was running around. It was Monday, and then because it was a bit chilly, I added a puffer jacket that I got from the brand. It's either Free Assembly or Time and True, but I will link everything in the description box, so be sure to check them out. And I am carrying a white handbag. The bag is also from Walmart, and this is just a very simple look. It's very basic. It's also effortless. It doesn't require much. You just add and you are out of the door, and that is what I love about this look. Let me show you what I wore on Tuesday. So on Tuesday, I wore these high-waisted jeans from the brand Free Assembly, and I have this body white suit that I got from the brand Scoop. I like this bodysuit so much. I don't know what it is with basic outfit. It just look put together instantly. I love the neckline of this bodysuit. I am wearing it in medium. My jeans is a size 10. I added some black booties that I got from Amazon. I added a leather fur jacket that I got from Kohl's. And these are things that I already have, so I just put them together, and I'm carrying a black handbag. The black handbag is also from Walmart. So now let me show you what I wore on Wednesday. So on Wednesday I wore this green fur leather pants, and I must admit this pants is not from Walmart. I already have this, but the other pieces are from Walmart. It was the leather jacket that gave me the idea to style this outfit like this. In the styling part, I wore this fur green leather pant that I've had for years. I got that from Target, and I wore this green cami that I got from Walmart, and I wore this fur leather green jacket that I got from Walmart. So that was where the idea came from, to style that outfit like that without pants, since I already have that color of pants. I just wanted to have an all monochrome look. I was having a green moment and I'm carrying a green handbag that I also got from the brand Scoop. And these handbags, they are on sale right now, and I'll link all of them in the description box, so check that. And I'm wearing my black booties that I got from Amazon. What do you think about this look? I used to be that girl that you will never catch me on anything leather, but you know what's fashion if you don't give it a try? So I gave it a try and I fell in love with it. So this is what I wore on Wednesday, and besides, it was a bit cool that day. That was why I decided to dress like this. So let me show you what I wore on Thursday. So on Thursday, I also wore my high-waisted jeans that I got from the brand Free Assembly, and I also wore this black bodysuit like the one I just featured, the white one. Yes, I also got it in black because this is so chic. I just love it, and when I like something, if I see it in different color, I will get it. And black and white, I know it was going to be basic, so I know that it will it will serve me in the long run. So that's why I bought it in white and black. So on Thursday, like as I was saying, I wore this high-waisted jeans from the brand Free Assembly, and I wore the scoop body suit. I just love these two combination. I wore my black booties, and I added that pink, is it pink or almost fuchsia looking hand color handbag. The handbag is also from Walmart. All this handbag, apart from the green one, is from the brand Time and True, and is the only the green one that is from Scoop. I love this color so much. I just wanted a pop of color. And you know, Houston, today is freezing, the next day is hot, so it wasn't really that cold. I probably went out with a coat, but as I'm showing you right now, it wasn't that cold. So but if you get cold, you get the idea. You can just add a coat to this look. I like this look so much. I just love the pop of color, and what makes it basic is the black bodysuit and the jeans that I have on. So now let me show you what I wore on Friday. So on Friday, I wore the denim skirt again. That's the denim skirt that I started with on Monday. I wore it again on Friday, and I have on this purple sweater that is a turtleneck that I also got from Walmart. The denim skirt is from the brand Time and True, and the purple skirt is from the brand Scoop. And I added some knee-high boots because since I just came to town, I've been hanging out with some of my friends who've been going for lunch. I wanted to look a little bit dressier, so that's why I added that boot. And I think I'm also carrying a black handbag. The bag is from Walmart. It's either from Walmart or from Amazon. I can't be sure right now, but I know I had a black boot on and I had a black handbag, and I just love this look. Purple is my new favorite color. If you see my holiday videos, you will know that purple is my new color, and it just looks so chic. And because I knew I was going out to eat and I will be like maybe in a cool restaurant, that's why I wore a sweater. It wasn't that very cold, but I just thought since I'm going to be indoors, and you know, this restaurant, they don't they will just turn their AC on. They don't care if it is anyway. So that was why I started like this. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Now let me show you what I wore on Saturday. On Saturday, I went out. I was meeting somebody somewhere, so I wanted to look a little bit dressy, but not too dressy. So I had this 4-leather pants that I got from Nordstrom Rack, which is the only thing that is not from Walmart in this particular outfit. So I added this chunky sweater with a turtleneck that I got from Walmart years back. I don't even remember if it is from the brand Time and True, but it has to be Time and True because when I got this sweater, Scoop was not at Walmart yet. Anyway, back to the outfit. So I wore this black turtleneck sweater with the 4-leather pants, and I added this jacket that I have on right now. So this jacket is from Pink Celebrity from Walmart. I had it open. I did not button it up, and I'm wearing my black booties that I got from Amazon, and I'm carrying my Walmart. It's either my the Walmart black handbag or the Amazon black handbag. It's either of those two. Please forgive me. I don't remember. It's a long week. But that's how I style it. And that booties are so comfortable. Oh my God. It just have like the tiniest heel. It's very comfortable. It's something you can walk in for hours. And I really, really love these booties. I will also link it. I got it from Amazon. I will leave it in the description box, so in case you are interested. What makes it basic? The sweater, the jackets, These are things you wear on your normal day-to-day activities. I do not always wear work outfits. I know that I do a lot of business casual on my channel, but I don't dress like that on a regular day. That is how I would want to dress if I am going to work. But on my day-to-day life, these are the things that I wear, but I like them to be very simple and basic. So that is why I style this outfit like this. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Now let me show you what I wore on Sunday. So on Sunday, I was just, after church, I was just lounging around at home. So I wore this two-piece set that I also got from Walmart. I love this two-piece set. I have been living in it. It comes in black and it comes in this color. And I think it comes in some kind of peach color. I'm not sure, but I will link all of them in the description box. I love this set so much. It is like sweatpants, and it have this long string, and it has this top with these big buttons, and it's a v-neck. I just love it. I'm wearing it in the size medium. I think I'm going to get the black. This thing has been saving my life. I traveled in this set, and a couple of people asked me, where did you get this? It's so comfortable, it's so warm. So I was just lounging around at home, and I wore it with my white mules, and also added a tank top in the same color that I got from Walmart. And I just put on the top part of the two-piece set, and I just left it open. I didn't button up, and that is the way I styled it. But in this video, I'm also going to show you how you can style this two-piece set if you are going out. So if I was going to step up with this, I would just add some heels and make it a bit dressy. I will wear my brand pump, and I will carry my brand handbag that I also got from Walmart. The pump is from Nine West. It's old, it's regular on this channel. So that is the way that I styled it. Let me know what you think of this 1 week outfits that I featured today. Do you like the styles? How do you dress on a weekly basis? Let me know in the comment section. I just like to look simple. I like to look chic. So I mostly wear like neutrals on my day-to-day dressing, and sometimes I add a pop of color depending on my mood. I love neutrals and I love colors, but most 80% of the time I wear more of neutrals. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Guys, those were the outfit that I wore in a week. Let me know in the comment section what you think of all of this outfit. How do you dress? Let me know. I would love to hear your opinion and maybe learn from you. We are here to learn and share together. So if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I would love for you to join the family. And if you've watched the video up to this time, why are you not subscribed? Just hit that subscribe button, and I would really appreciate it because I want you to stay here. And also do not forget to turn on your notification. And if you want to check me out on my socials, I am on Instagram, I am on Pinterest, and I am also on TikTok. So until my next video, take care of yourself, remain blessed, and have a most wonderful week. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.